Hey everyone, apologies if I sound terrible. I am recovering from COVID. It was relatively mild, but still not much fun. It's partially why the video is a little late today. I am doing the best I can with what energy I have. So rather than do it with contrast paints, I am going to go back to basics and do it with just regular paints. So I've got another of the Space Marine heroes here. I just painted him Abaddon Black as a base coat, and I had primed him with white spray paint a while ago, but I did want to do a black base because if you look at the new Lion L. Johnson model, look at kind of the main color of his armor, it's black. Like looking at the middle of the armor plates, it's black, and it's just got basically green edge highlights. So that's what I'm going to try here. So I've got some Abaddon Black on my palette, and I'm going to add in some Caliban Green. I'm going to mix those two at first, see where we are, and see what that gets us. Okay. So I'm going to try and give it about a 1-to-1 mix. Let's see how that turns out. And it's going to be super dark, and that's okay. That is okay. Okay, nice. So what I'm going to be doing with this, basically, is just going around and doing a thick edge highlight all over. And might as well start with the bolter arm here. So, and it's always a good idea to brush on your mid-tone, even if you airbrush or spray paint first, just because airbrushing will miss a few places, you know, some of the nooks and crannies. It's not going to get absolutely everywhere, and you want it to get everywhere. That and painting it in with your midtone ensures that if you have any mistakes, you don't have to go back and re-airbrush. You can just brush paint things back in. Okay, and as before, I'm not going all the way to the center of the shoulder plate there. And I think we can call this first round good. The effect is very subtle, but it is there. You can see it. Yeah, it's a little clumsy, but it's going to be getting more refined as we go. So now I'm going to add in another blob of Caliban Green here and see what we get. Oh, nice. Very nice. Okay. Same thing, only this time we're going to be a bit more choosy and we're going to focus just on the edges. And try and use the long, flat edge of our brush for this. It's not always going to be easy or possible. Some places we're going to have to paint in, but that's okay. Okay, looking good. I know the effect is, again, very subtle, but we are building up the green around the edges, and it's looking pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop there for now, because I'm feeling a little lightheaded, hands starting to shake a little bit. But we will pick this up next time. Thanks for watching.